In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple workapp in Smartsheet. Workapps is a helpful feature in Smartsheet that lets you turn your existing content into a simple, organized app experience. Instead of sending people to multiple sheets, reports, dashboards, or forms, you can bring everything together in one place and control exactly what each person is allowed to see. This makes it much easier for teams, stakeholders, or clients to access the information they need without getting overwhelmed by everything else in your workspace. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to Workapps. This is where you'll create and manage app-style experiences built from your Smartsheet content. If you're new to Workapps, take a moment to notice how it's designed to help you centralize information and simplify navigation for your users. Once you're in Workapps, create a new workapp. This is the foundation of your project. As you begin, think about the purpose of the app and who will be using it. A well-planned workapp is much easier to use, so it helps to have a clear idea of the information and tools your audience needs access to. Next, add the content you want included in the workapp. You can bring in sheets, reports, dashboards, forms, or even external content depending on what you want the app to do. This step is where your workapp starts to take shape. For example, you might include a dashboard for summary information, a report for filtered updates, a form for collecting new requests, and a sheet for the detailed data behind everything. The goal is to create one streamlined experience instead of making users search across multiple locations. After adding your content, set roles so users only see what they need. This is one of the most powerful parts of Workapps. Different users can have different views, which helps keep the experience focused and secure. For instance, one group might only need to submit information through a form, while another group may need access to reports and dashboards for tracking progress. Carefully assigning roles helps reduce confusion and prevents people from seeing unnecessary content. When your setup is ready, preview the workapp. This gives you a chance to experience it the way your users will. As you preview it, check that the navigation feels clear, the right content is visible, and each role appears as expected. This quick review can help you catch issues before anyone else sees the app. Finally, publish and share the workapp with the appropriate users. Once it's live, your audience can begin using it as intended. A good final tip is to test the shared experience with a small group first, just to confirm everything works smoothly. And that's how to create a simple workapp in Smartsheet.